Simply mix okra with shampoo and you won't need to spend money on the market. I bring another tip that will save you a lot of money in your home. In principle, we will need 3 okras. Now we just need to chop those 3 okras into slices. Look, stay with me until the end of the video because you will be surprised by the result. We cut the 3 okras. Then I will transfer them to another container. And now we are going to add 200 milliliters of very hot water here. Then mix very well. The secret of this recipe is to mix it very well. Let me know where you are watching the video from the channel. I would love to know what your city is and how far the videos go. So here we are going to mix gently in this way. Then we are going to take a kitchen cloth and we are going to leave it covered here for about 2 minutes more or less, okay? It's been about 2 minutes. There is still a little steam. And what do we have here? This is the result we want. I will need another container. And we are going to need to strain this solution. Now I'm going to filter it through here. Many people don't know, but okra has vitamin A, B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D. In addition to minerals such as zinc, iron, magnesium, which are essential for this advice that I'm going to show you. Here we are draining everything from the okra. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. Sugar will act as glycerin, which will enhance the results of our recipe. It will dissolve quickly because the solution is still hot. Now all the sugar will dissolve and it will have this foamy texture that is what we wanted to get out of the okra. Next we will need shampoo. I am using this shampoo here, but you can use the shampoo you have at home. As long as it is transparent, you can use any brand. Now I'm going to pour all the shampoo content here. Perfect. Now that I have poured all the content, we have to mix it. All this solution here. What we are doing is a shampoo to restore your hair, especially for those with dry hair. Since it acts directly on the cuticle of the hair, closing it, avoiding the loss of vitamins, reducing the frizz and making the hair brighter and silky. I will explain the correct way to use this product on your hair. After mixing well, it will become a little lighter, but it will still be concentrated. When it cools, it will thicken even more. It also strengthens and repairs the hair. For those with hair loss or weak hair, it can help a lot. So here I'm going to pour it again after mixing it well. And then I'll put it in another bottle of shampoo. This will help restore and promote the growth of new follicles in your scalp. The interesting thing about this recipe is that it is used in shampoo, because the properties of okra favor the hydration of the hair. By using it once a day, you will be treating your hair. You know that the brush stroke with the hair, the use of the iron and the chemical products open the cuticle and cause dehydration. This will act both in the restoration and in the stimulation of the growth of new follicles.